What's good, guys? Welcome back to another review. Today we have two brand new products from Rule of Threads. We have their classic joggers as well as their classic hoodie. Now they're coming in two colors right now, black and taupe. I have both for both things, hoodie and joggers. I actually washed one set and didn't wash the other, so I could show you guys what that looks like because they are 95% cotton. So I wanted to see what the shrinking would look like. Of course, I'll be trying them both on and giving my thoughts and then rating them at the end. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, first we have the classic hoodie. This is the taupe colorway. And as I just mentioned, it's 95% cotton. And then we have 5% spandex. This is French terry material. So if you look close, you'll see those tiny little loops. It's a pretty thin hoodie, more for like spring or early fall, I would say. Good for layering. Okay, in the front, there are no strings at all, which is pretty cool. Not many people actually even use strings, so it gives it more of like a clean look, I think. Okay, nice plain looking on the back there. Got the ribbed look, pretty classic look at the bottom, and then for like the wrist right here, the cuff. Okay, you have the kangaroo pouch, which goes all the way through to the other side. I'll show you that when I try it on. And then right here, got the monochrome ROT for Rule of Threads. So this is the one I did wash. I put it in the washer with like cold water and then I dried it on low. That's always what I do for all my clothing. So I will try this one on now and show you. Okay, so this right here is a size medium. I'm 6 feet tall, 170 pounds. Now, you'll be able to see the difference when I try on the black one, but it did shrink quite a bit here. If I could go back and choose a different size, I would go large probably because it does shrink. So, see a little bit of skin there. It does fit me actually really nice though. I just wish it was a little bit longer, probably both on the arms and the torso. Let's try on the black one. Okay, so again, this one was not washed. Arms are a little bit longer. So here it goes down to here. You can't see like the difference, but it goes like right here. Try it on with a layer. Okay, so we have a flannel shirt jacket here. Fits really nice under this because it's pretty thin. Has a lot of stretch to it as well. So the washing instructions on this say you're supposed to actually cold wash and then hang dry it for the first time that you do wash it, which unfortunately I did not do, but if you guys do not want it to shrink at all, I would follow those instructions. If you are just gonna like wash it, machine wash it and dry like I do, I would just size up. Okay, next up we have the classic joggers. So these are, of course, the exact same material as the hoodie. Also a size medium. We have the stretchy waistband. Then we have 3 zipper pockets, 1 on each side. Got the monochrome logo right there. Other zipper pocket. And then you have a back zipper pocket as well. Have a line across here right above the knee, which is nice. They remind me of like Nike Tech Fleece joggers. And the same cuff here as the hoodie for the ankle. We can try these on. So these are a size 32 waist, 30 length. You'll notice they are a little bit shorter than their other joggers. I'll try them on in a second to compare. So these ones have not been washed yet. As you can see, they're definitely a little bit longer. On the other ones, this part was kind of like pretty snug because they're just a little bit shorter, and to pull them down, it kind of did one of those. So these fit me better before the wash for sure. Waist is perfect though. Nice and stretchy, not too tight at all. It wasn't too tight on the other ones either. Perfect fit. I mean, nice and slim without being like skin tight or anything. Nice and comfortable. And these will get softer every time you wash them. So these right here are their premium joggers. I actually reviewed these in another video, but I wanted to just try them on so I can compare them to the classic jogger. Now, these are 92% nylon and 8% spandex. So these don't really shrink. The size on these, 32 waist, 30 length. So it's the exact same size, but as you can see, I definitely have more length here. So if you guys you already have these and you want to try the new classic joggers, I would just get the next size up in the length. To compare the two materials, this one feels awesome, definitely premium. It does feel a little bit more synthetic than the cotton ones do, obviously. So depending on what you like there. Okay, a little bonus review here. I actually have their newest version of the classic t-shirt. So straight hem here at the bottom. It is supposed to be a little bit wider at the neck than their previous version. Has, of course, the nice slim arms here without being restricting, just because the shirt is so stretchy, so comfortable and soft too. I honestly wouldn't change anything about the way that this shirt fits me. It's so perfect. If you guys have not tried their t-shirts, please just try one. I haven't seen, look at all the comments on the Rule of Threads videos. Like, I'd have to scroll through, but I don't think there's any negative comments about their t-shirts. Like, everyone likes them. And it's a small business, so you're supporting a small business. They really care about like the premium quality. It's not just like, they don't care. Look at all the details. I'll show you here. Give me 1 second. I'll show you like the packaging and everything. Look at this. Nice box. This is the bag it comes in. This like nice cool zipper thing you get to open. It's just like they really care. It's so obvious that they care about quality, which is, that's how I am. I'd rather have like Not as many things, but like very high quality. So this is such a perfect t-shirt. Like I said, definitely try it if you haven't. Okay guys, it's time for the ratings. First up, we have the classic hoodie. Let's talk about fit. I think this fits pretty good. You know, I'm not blown away by the fit just because I wish it was a little bit longer, especially if it is going to shrink, which it does if you machine, wash, and dry. If you're just gonna like wash it in cold water and hang dry it, it's not gonna shrink, but I feel like most people don't do that. I think if you're in the market for a thin hoodie for like fall or spring, this is a high quality one for sure. If you're wanting something that's like for warmth, this is probably not what you want. Comfortability, it's comfortable because it's really stretchy. I don't know if I showed you guys how stretchy it is, but it's definitely really stretchy. French terry, you know, it's okay. It's not like really, really soft. They do say that this gets softer every single time you wash it, which I do believe because the same thing happens to their shirts. Overall, I would give this hoodie an 8.1 out of 10. Okay, next up we have the classic joggers. So these, I think they fit really well. They're nice and slim. The only thing is they fit actually like true to size, I would say, whereas their premium joggers ran a little bit long. So typically I'm a 32 length, 32 waist, and for the premium joggers I got 32 waist and 30 length, and they fit perfect. These I would get my true to size, which is 32 length, 32 waist. So even though these are not their premium joggers, these are the classics, they still feel premium. They're nice and stretchy. The material feels like a durable. It's gonna last a long time. Here's the stretch on it. I think most people would definitely love these. For score, I'm gonna go 8.6 out of 10. If I was going to rank all three products that I've tried so far, I would go t-shirt as number one. Love their t-shirts. Second are their joggers, and then I would go hoodie as number three. All right, guys, that is gonna wrap this one up. Thank you so much for watching. Post comments down below if you have any questions. If you have seen other products online without reviews and you want them reviewed, let me know what they are. If I like it, I'll probably review it. But that's it for this one. Thank you again, and I'll see you next week with a new one. Later, guys.
She snapped me the snippet. Well overdue for that link up in person. Text me to fall through its murder. She wrote it. Still up with courage of doing the service. Pull up to the crib. I'm equipped with the brush strokes. Cutthroat from the low when no love goes. Women buddy like it's been that.